Okay, to adjust this gate latch here, there's two parts you can adjust. This is the striker, and this has a little screw right on the inside here that you can turn and make this striker go to the right or the left. Okay, so that gives you sideways adjustment. Then this latch here has a set screw in it that comes out, and then this will move up and down like this. So this also has 3 holes on the side, and you just choose whichever one lines up best. And the goal is to just have this striker comfortably fall into that gap. So you just adjust that to how you want it. Now, because this is a brand new install, everything expands and contracts with heat and cold. So this fence and gate will break in a little bit, and I think it's going to fall in this way as it settles in. So I'm going to adjust this to favor that side for now, and then I think what it'll do, it'll fall into place better like that. So lift that up just a tiny bit like that. Okay, so and I'm just going to pick whichever one of these holes lines up best. And kind of hard to see in the sunlight here. Okay. And that's all you want to do, is just have this striker comfortably fall into this gap. That's it.